Okay, next one. A square matrix A is called orthogonal if A is equal to A square, A dash is equal to A inverse, A is equal to A inverse, and A is equal to A dash. Okay. So first of all, we have to remember what is meant by orthogonal matrix. Okay. Let us see the definition. If A is orthogonal, then A dash is equal to I. So this is the condition for orthogonal matrix. If A dash is equal to I, then A is said to be orthogonal. Okay. So here option A is not correct. Here A is equal to A square is there. Option D is also not correct. A is equal to A dash is there. And we have to remember the definitions. If A is equal to A square, then A is said to be idempotent matrix in this case. If A is equal to A square, then A is said to be idempotent. And if A is equal to A dash, then A is said to be symmetric. Okay. So option A, option D are not answers. So let us take option B. So let us take A dash is equal to A inverse. So we have to multiply this equation with A. We have to post multiply it or pre-multiply it. Anyone we can take. So multiply this equation with A. Then we get A dash is equal to A into A inverse. We know that if a matrix is multiplied by with its inverse, then we get identity matrix. Okay. A into A inverse is always equal to I. Therefore, in this condition, we get A dash is equal to I. That means this condition holds orthogonal matrix. Okay. So in this case, A is said to be orthogonal. So what about option C? A is equal to A inverse is given. Here also we have to multiply with A. A into A is equal to A into A inverse. A into A means A square we get. A into A inverse means identity matrix. So we get A square is equal to I here. So in this case, if A square is equal to I, A is said to be invaluatory. Okay. So if A is equal to A square, A is said to be idempotent. If A square is equal to I, then A is said to be invaluatory. If A is equal to A dash, A is said to be symmetric. So finally, option B is the right answer. Okay. So in this case, we get A dash is equal to I. So finally, if A dash is equal to I, then A is said to be orthogonal matrix. Therefore, option B is the right answer.